Welcome to FAAT3D HLW-PG-LPv1 Beta model presentation, public version, without any additional information. For more guidance, please visit our Patreon or Contribee webpage. This is a HLW-PG-LPv1 Beta test model used on IDS 2025. Be aware this model will be phased out at the latest of the 1st of September. All test participants will be informed about the final new model. For the full video, please join us on Contribee or Patreon.